This is Charlie, and today, you know what we're doing. We're making some more slime. Okay, so here's the glues. I'm gonna open the boxes. I'm gonna open the pink one, the green one, and the orange one right now. Which one should we open first? Orange is the white. You guys know this already. If you haven't watched my other video, these are the materials to make the slime. Okay. Then these are the glitters and all foam beads and stuff. So yeah. So I don't know which one I should make yet. Which one do you guys think I should make? I say we are going to make. How about? How about this one? And maybe if my mom lets me, we can make this one tomorrow. Yep. Okay, so place the box right here, and we're going to make it. Okay, so first, of course, we're gonna need our mold. Sorry, guys. I need to go get something. Okay, I'm back. So, got the bowl. I'm using the same bowl that we used yesterday. So, yeah. For this one, it looks like we need white glue. Pretty sure we need white glue. Okay. So, we did that. I believe we don't need, the white. I don't think we need paint because it's just white. So yeah. Let's get some glitter. Where in the heck is the glitter? Oh, it's in here. Okay. Now get the white. Guys, do you think I should pour these in there? I'll pour a little bit. Because I haven't made a slime with that. I haven't made a slime with those. So, we're gonna make it. I think we use all the glitter on here. Okay, yeah, we use all the white glitter. Okay, so let's do this. Wait. Pour. Kick it. We got that. I don't know if we should pour these. No, we're not. Wait. Fine, we are. It is white slime, so I don't think we're gonna be able to see that. Which one's the activator? This one is the activator. Okay. Let's pour more white glue. Okay. Okay. We are mix. Roxanne. Okay, we're mixing more white glue. Okay. This looks like a milk. Ew. I think we need more activator. Okay. So we add more activator. This just feels like red glue. Oh my god. I think this was a fail. I hope not. Okay. We are making some carpet. This is nasty. Nasty. Ew, 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 ew. There's just all kinds of glue on my hands. We devs need more activator. I mean, I can't open it with my hands. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, 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 okay. There's just glue. Oh. This was a fail. I hope not. I think we put too much activator. I mean, it did get overactivated, but it's okay. I mean, I could go and scrap home if I could make another one. Not another one of these slimes, another full of slime. So yeah. This is so hard. Okay, well, we tried our best. We're just gonna put it in a casing and call it a day. So yeah. The glitter just fell. Okay. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Comment down below if you think it turned out good. Going to ask my mom if we can make another one. Let's go ask. Bad news. She said no. Well, see you guys tomorrow if I can make one. Bye.